welcome to my 30 minutes-ish legs, bums and toes, okay? We're going to be going for about 32 minutes, okay? We're going to get nicely warmed up. We're going to go in, work the legs, the bums, the tums, like the class says. We're going to have some nice stretching, cool down, and there we go, that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to introduce the equipment we're going to be using, okay? So you can get them ready for at home, okay? So with dumbbells. Okay, with the dumbbells, if you don't have those at home, you can use a tin, you can use a bottle of water, 2 bottles of water, okay? So there's alternatives there. We have a band, resistance band, okay? We can do the exercises without these, so, you know, that's not a worry if you don't have one of those. We have roll mat. If you don't have one of these, a towel will suffice. Okay, so let's get into it. We're going to get nice and warmed up now, guys, okay? Bring that heart rate up and we're going to get into the session. So I hope you enjoy. Let's go. I hope you enjoy my music as well as the class. Marching. Remember, guys, as well, okay? It's really important to drink water throughout. If you want to drink water anytime, okay? You can pause, okay? You can grab some water. Whenever you want water, it's really important. With this as well, okay, let's have it out. With the exercises, if you need to take a bit And we're going to get into the main session. You should feel your heart nice and raised now, ready to go. I'm going to introduce the first exercise. What we're going to do is we're going to do 20 of that exercise. Okay, so the first exercise is I'm going to take a look here at my whiteboard. Wide leg squats, okay? These can be with weight or without, okay? Wide leg, nice and wide. We're going to point the toes out to each corner of the room, okay? I'm going to show you with the weight, but again, you don't have to. We're going to do 20 of these in your own time. Like I said, you can pause at any time. You can rewind. That's no problem. So, get ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to show you from the side. 6, 7, 8. Really squeezing. 9, 10, 11. As low as you can go. 12, 13, 14. 6 more to go. 15, 16. Well done. 17, 18, 19. Last one before we move on to the next exercise. Okay guys, I'm going to do this without weight, but you can again use weight if you like. Nice princess or prince courtesy lunges. Okay, are we ready? We're going to do both legs, okay, simultaneously. Are we ready? Like so. To the other side. And then come to the centre more to make sure I'm in shot. That's 4, 5, 6. Keep the core nice and tight. 8, 9. Well done, halfway through. 11. Chest nice up, nice and high. 14. Well done. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. Last one. Well done. Okay, I'm going to do this one with dumbbells just to show you that you can use weight. Again, let them go at any time. You can chop and change, you don't have to use them at all. Okay, let's go into lunges. Forward lunges. Are we ready? 20, 10 on each leg. Let's go. Bring it down. 1. I'll show you from the side as well. That's 2. Bring it down, nice and low. 3. Remember, 24. 5. Nice work. 6. 7. 8. 10. Halfway. Keep it going now. If you need to take a break at any time, you don't have to do the 20. Okay? Do what you can. 16, 17, 18, 19. Don't let the knees go up the toes. The last one. Well done, everyone. Okay. We're bringing it down onto the ground now with your towel or your roll mat, whatever you have. Glute raises, okay? I'm going to give you a couple of different options with these, okay? Again, 20 of them if you can. If you can't, just do what you can, okay? So, feet planted on the ground, hands to the side, okay? Lifting it up and squeezing the glutes together on the way up. 2, 3. If you're feeling particularly Olympic today, okay, you can lift your leg up, do 10, and then change to the opposite leg. I'm going to keep my legs both on the floor, but you can do whatever feels best for you. I think that's 6, so we'll keep going. 7, remember to squeeze. 8, 9, 10. Again as well, you can use a band with this as well. Okay, round here, okay, round your thighs. Pull them round bands, you can tie one of the ones showed you, or it's just as effective doing this way. 16, 17, 18, 2 more, 19, 20. Well done everyone. Nice and slowly to a seated position. Okay, so next one we're going to do side leg raises. So you get to stay on the floor, nice and relaxed. Okay, with this one, we're going to do 10 on each leg, okay? So we're going to have the bottom leg out, okay, in front, okay? Let's go, okay? 1. Okay, as fast as slow as you like. I like to do them a lot slower, controlled. Really works. Well done. 7, 8, squeezing at the top. 9, 10. Now we're changing sides, okay? Okay, take your time. There's no rush. Okay, resting your hand, resting your head on your hand, should I say? Again, with the bottom leg into a 90-degree angle. Okay, feet flat. Are we ready for 10? Let's go. Bring them up and down. Remember, keep that core nice and tight. Well done. 6, 7, 8, 2 more, 9, remember squeeze when you get to the top, 10, fantastic. Okay, on all fours, okay, kickbacks now, I love these, okay, I'm going to give you an example of 2 different ones, the ones I'm going to do today, myself, leg right out behind you, we're going to do 20 on each leg of these, okay? We're going to bring them up like so, or another option, like so, okay? So find the one that fits you better, which one you prefer to do, okay? And that's the one we're going to do, okay? So we've done about 7 there, let's carry on. 8, 9, remember squeeze when you get to the top, 10, don't hyperextend, extension. Oh, okay, let's forget about that. 10, 11, hyperextend the back is what I was trying to say. 14, 15, 16, 17, really work that glute. 18, 19, 20. There we go, we're going to change sides now, change legs. Okay, get those glutes ready for your bikini in summer. Or when you go swimming, when we can. Are we ready? 1. Remember the different options? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more to go, halfway. 9, 8, 7, 6, well done, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Okay, so we're all going to pretend that we're Rocky Balboa now, going into a sit-up fight. Okay. Feet planted on the floor, legs bent. Okay. Hands by the temple. When we come up, we're going to zombie sitters. Okay, I know Halloween's past. Who doesn't love a zombie sitter? So let me show you. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, if you're more comfortable with having your legs bent, keep them bent. Okay. If you want to have them flat, have them flat. I prefer to have mine bent. Okay, so I'm going to do this. What we're going to do? Hands behind. Make sure you've got plenty of space around you. You're going to come up, hands up, back down. Okay, if you do want to do it with straight legs, okay, we call them zombie because they look like they're coming out of a grave, I guess. Okay, so that's 5, 6, 7, 8, well done. 9, really reach up. 10, 11, 12, keep going. 13, 14, almost there. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, last one, 20. Okay guys, that's one complete round. We're going to grab a quick drink now, okay? We're going to go through that again. What we're going to do though is we're going to take each exercise down to 10 each, okay? So, we're going to start with now, grab your drink. In fact, I think I might grab mine quickly. Excuse me. It's always good to stay hydrated. Okay. Are we ready to go for it? Wide leg squats, okay? Again, pointing the toes out to the side, each corner of the room. If you want to use a weight, please do so. It's completely up to you. I'm going to come back to make sure you can see me. Okay, we're going to do 10 of those. Are you ready? Let's go. Nice and low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, really squeeze the glutes together on the way up. 8, 9, last one, make the most of it. 10, fantastic. With this one, we're actually going to do 20 because otherwise you're only going to have 5 on each leg and we all love to do curtsy lunges, don't we? Okay, are we ready? Do we remember what we're doing? Okay, to the side like so. Again, if you want to use weight, go for it. If not, this is perfect as it is. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, well done. 5, you're all doing fantastic. 6, 7, 8, woo. Try not to fall over. 9, 10, keep going. 11, 12, 13, 14, and forward 15, 16, 17, 18, 2 more, 19, well done, 20. Okay guys, well done, we're going out to the floor, back to do those lovely knee raises. Are we ready? Okay, take your time getting down. If you need to pause at all, please do so. Feet planted on the floor, hands to the side, on the way up, squeeze your glutes together. Pretend you've got a diamond between your glutes and someone's trying to steal it. Okay, you don't want to do that. You don't want to lose it or you're ready. Are we ready? Let's go. 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more. Well done. 9. Last one, there we go. Fantastic. Okay, onto the side now, guys and girls. Resting the head on the hands. Bottom leg, 90-degree angle in front of you. 9, and 10. Changing sides now, guys. Exactly the same on the other side. Resting the head on the hands. Bottom leg 90-degree angle. Top leg straight. Let's go. 10 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What we're going to do next exercise on all fours, okay? Make sure you're all balanced on all fours. Okay, foot out behind you. Make sure you've got plenty of space, you're not going to knock into anything. 10 on each side, let's go. 1, 2, 3, if you need to, you can bring them in and out. 5, and you're going to do it like this. 6, 7, and the option that works best for you. 8, 9, and 10. Changing legs straight into it. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, well done. 8, 9, and 10. Okay, guys. Now we're working on the core, coming down onto the back. Rocky style again, okay? Punching the baddies, both sides for 10. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, well done. 9, last one. 10. Well done, everyone. Okay, so into those lovely zombie sits. Are we ready? 10 of those bad boys, okay? Let's go. Hands behind. And let's push it up for 10. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Brilliant. 6. Almost there. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Fantastic. Well done, everyone. You did absolutely brilliant. We're going to just bring that heart rate down now, okay, and do some quick stretching. And that's it then. I think, well, we need to get you drinking water now. A lot of water after classes, not just during. Stay hydrated. And well done. Absolutely brilliant. Okay. So we're going to stay seated. We're going to bring the feet together. Okay. Elbows onto the knees. Gently pushing down where you can feel the stretch. Okay. Keep the back neutral, the spine neutral. Head up and breathe. Don't forget to breathe. Hold it there. Feet out into a V shape. Okay, we're going to walk the hands forwards. Okay, just where you can feel the stretch. Okay, you don't have to get your head right onto the floor. You just need to be able to feel the stretch. You can hold it there for 10 seconds. Okay, bringing them back up. We're going to go over to the side, okay? Don't lock the knees out, okay? Always keep the knees loose. We're going to bring it over to the side. Okay, again, you might just feel the stretch here, okay? You might not have to go all the way down, or you might not be able to. That's absolutely fine. Just go to where you can feel the stretch yourself. And changing sides. Brilliant, well done. Okay, we're going to go on to all fours. Okay, make sure you've distributed the weight evenly. We're going to arch the back, dip the back towards the floor, and we're going to lift our heads looking up to the ceiling. abdomen, shoulder